Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about GEMDAS rule or GEMDES rule in simplifying numerical expression. So ano nga po ba yung numerical expression? Ito po yung examples of numerical expression. We have -5 plus, open parenthesis, 12 minus 3, close parenthesis, divided by 4. Another one, 3 times, open parenthesis, 5 minus 2, close parenthesis, square, plus 4. So how are we going to simplify this expression? So to simplify this expression, we're going to follow GEMDAS rule. Okay? Ang GEMDAS rule na ito po yung order of operation kung ano po yung isi-simplify natin. So ipapaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step kung paano po i-perform ang GEMDAS rule. Okay, so let's start by defining GEMDAS. So the first letter there is G. So what is G all about? Ito po ay groupings. Like, we have this one, parenthesis. Ito po ay braces and the third one is bracket. So ito po yung tatlong groupings na ginagamit sa numerical expression. Okay? So next, letter is E. E stands for exponent. So exponent like 5 squared, 2 cubed. So sa 5 squared, ang exponent po natin dito ay itong 2. Sa 2 cubed, ang exponent po ay 3. Okay? Next letter M. M stands for multiplication. Okay? Ang symbol po na ginagamit natin sa multiplication can be X or can be dot. Yung dot po ay between two integers at ginagamit din yung close and open parenthesis for multiplication. Okay? So next letter is letter D. D stands for division. Okay? Ang symbol po ng division ay ito lang pong dalawa na ito ang symbol ng division. Okay? Next one is A, addition. So addition, isa lang po ang symbol ng addition. And then last is S, stands for subtraction. And subtraction, isa lang po yung kanyang symbol. Now, to perform or to simplify numerical expression, ito po yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga operation na ipe-perform natin. Just like for example, ito po yung ating numerical expression. Okay? So, meron po tayo ditong groupings, itong parenthesis, and ito pong braces. Another one ay exponent. Pangalawa po ay exponent. So, we have exponent here. Ito pong 2. Next, M, multiplication. Meron po tayong multiplication. Ito pong X. Next, division. Meron po tayong division. Okay? Ito po, symbol ng division. Next, addition. Okay, this one. And the last one is subtraction. Ito po. So, halos lahat po na part ng GEMDAS ay meron po tayo sa isang expression. Now, how are we going to simplify? So ano po yung unahin natin na operation na ipe-perform at ano po yung pinakang huli? So ito nga po yung order of operation. So GEMDAS means ang pinakauna po nating i-perform ay G, groupings. Simplify po natin yung groupings. Next, exponent. Ito pong exponent, simplify natin. Next, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So ito po yung order of operation na ipe-perform natin to simplify this numerical expression. Okay, so let's have an example. Simplify the following numerical expression using GEMDAS. So dito ko po ilalagay yung GEMDAS. Ito po yung susundin natin na order of operation. Start po natin sa pinaka-madaling numerical expression. So we have 12 minus 3 plus 4. So ito po ay considered as numerical expression. Okay? Kasi mayroon po siyang operation. Now, we are going to follow the GEMDAS rule. Okay? So, ang meron pong operation dito, dalawa lang po yung operation natin dito. Ito pong subtraction at ito pong addition. Okay, so between subtraction and addition, ano po yung uunahin nating ipe-perform? Okay, ito po yung rule. So yung addition at subtraction, magkasama po yan. Okay? Halos tie lang po yan. Ngayon, kapag sa ating numerical expression ay addition lang at subtraction ang given, kagaya po nito, we are going to perform the operation from left to right. Okay? So mula left to right. So, hindi ibig sabihin addition yung nauna dito sa GEMDAS, unahin na natin yung addition. Okay? So, ang gagawin po natin, lagi magkasama po itong dalawa. Ngayon, kapag dalawa po sila magkasama, ay ipe-perform natin again from left to right. So, ganito po yun. Unahin natin itong subtraction. 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. And then, saka natin i-add sa 4. Okay? Again, subtract first. 12 minus 3, 9. Then, we're going to add by 4. What is 9 plus 4? That is equal to 13. Okay? So, the simplified form of this expression is 13. How about kung unahin natin yung addition? Meron bang pagkakaiba ng sagot? Okay? The same po. Unahin po natin itong addition. Okay, so we'll have, if you're going to add 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. Okay, and then, di ba, bring down natin kasi inuna natin itong 3 plus 4. For example lang ito. Okay, now we have 12 minus 7, the answer is equal to 5. So, pareho po ba sila ng sagot? So, hindi po pareho ng sagot. So, ito pong proseso na ito, kasi inuna mo yung addition, then this is wrong. Okay? So, dapat, ang gawin po natin is from left to right. Okay? Ganun po yung order operation kapag addition lang at subtraction ang nandito sa ating expression. Okay? For number 2 example, we have 20 divided by 2 times 5. Halimbawa, ganito naman po yung given. Ang operation po natin dito ay dalawa lang po. Division and multiplication. Okay? So, sa ating rule, ito po yung dito sa gitna, MD. Okay. So, kapag ganito naman pong division at multiplication yung given, hindi ibig sabihin, multiplication po ang nauna dito sa GEMDAS, multiplication po yung unahin natin. So, again, pag magkasama ang multiplication division, ang gagawin po nating pagpe-perform is from left to right din. Okay? So, unahin natin from left to right ang pag-simplify. So, here, ang nauna po dito ay division. 12 divided by 2, yan din po yung unahin nating i-perform. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Then, saka po natin i-multiply sa 5. And what is 10 times 5? That is equal to 50. So, therefore, ang simplified form po ng 20 divided by 2 times 5, that is equal to 50. So, isite ko po ulit yung case. For example, ang unahin po natin ay multiplication bago division. Pareho lang po ba sila ng sagot? Try po natin. Unahin natin naman itong 12 times 5. Okay? So, 20 divided by what is 2 times 5 rather. What is 2 times 5? That is equal to 10. Now, if you're going to perform 20 divided by 10, that is equal to 2. Ngayon, magkapareho ba yung 2 at 50 yung sagot nila? No. So, magkaiba po. So, ito pong 2 na sagot natin, that is wrong. So, the correct answer should be 50. Again, i-perform natin from left to right. So, pag magkasama ang multiplication division, basta from left to right. Okay? Okay, for number 3 example. 9 minus 3 times 6. So, ano po yung operation dito sa ating number 3 example? So, dalawa lang po. Subtraction or minus and multiplication. Okay, so hindi na po magkagrupo yung dalawang operation. Kasi ang magkagrupo po ay ito pong addition, subtraction, and then multiplication, division. Okay, so magkaiba po sila ng group. So, ibig sabihin, ang unahin po natin dito ay multiplication, then saka natin i-perform itong subtraction. Okay, so, kung subtraction po yung unahin, this will become 9, baba natin, then minus, what is 3 times 6? That is equal to 18. And then, saka po tayo magsusubtract. What is 9 minus 18? That is equal to negative 9. Okay? So, the simplified form of this expression is negative 9. Okay, so how about i-perform natin? Okay? The same po yung given natin. How about unahin ko itong minus bago times? Magkaiba po ng result? Okay, tingnan natin. Unahin natin itong 9 minus 3. That is equal to 6. Then, saka natin multiply sa 6. What is 6 times 6? That is equal to 36. So, magkapareho ba yung kanilang sagot? No. So, negative 9 and 36. At ito pong 36, this is wrong. So, the correct answer here is negative 9. Okay, so how about this number 4 example? We have 7 plus 5 times 4 minus 6 divided by 3. So, ito pong apat na operation, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito pong apat na operation, ito na po yun, from multiplication to subtraction. Okay? Ito pong multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, nasa isang numerical expression. Now, how are we going to perform? Okay, so ang nauna po dito ay MD, multiplication and division. So meron po ba tayong multiplication? Ito po. Ang multiplication natin ay 5 times 4 at ito naman pong division natin ay 6 divided by 3. So sabi ko po kanina, kapag magkasama yung multiplication division from left to right. Okay, this case, hindi po apektado yung multiplication itong division kasi may pagitan po silang subtraction, minus. So pwede na po silang pagsabayan na i-perform. Okay? Or pwede naman pong may mauuna. Pero mas maganda, para mas mabilis yung computation, pagsabayin na po natin. Okay, baba natin itong 7 plus. Okay? And then, multiply natin itong 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. And then, bring down natin minus, and then divide 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. Okay, so okay na po yung multiplication at division. Okay, ang natitira na lang po dito sa ating expression ay addition and subtraction. Again, magkasama po yung addition subtraction, magkagrupo po sila. So ipe-perform natin from left to right. So addition muna, ito po yung nauuna. What is 7 plus 20? That is equal to 27. And then bring down, we have minus 2. What is 27 minus 2? That is equal to 25. So the answer is equal to 25. Okay, so how about tanggalin ko po yung subtraction sa pagitan nila. Okay, yung nandito. Okay, tinanggal ko po yung subtraction kaya maging 7 plus 5 times 6 divided by 3. So magkatabi na po itong multiplication and division. Ngayon, paano po natin ito ipe-perform? Pwede po bang pagsabayin na kagaya po nito? So hindi na po pwede. Kasi itong 5 times 6, nagamit po yung 6 dito sa multiplication. At ito naman pong 6 divided by 3, nagamit po ulit itong 6. So ang gagawin po natin ay ipe-perform ulit natin from left to right kasi magkasama po yung multiplication and division or magkatabi po mismo. So bring down natin yung 7 plus, okay? And then multiply 5 times 6, 30. Then saka po natin ibaba yung divide by 3. Okay? Then saka po natin i-perform yung division. So ang operation po dito ay addition at division. So sa GEMDAS, unahin po natin yung division. Okay? So bring down 7, then plus, what is 30 divided by 3? That is equal to 10. Then, isang operation na lang po. 7 plus 10, that is equal to 20. 7 plus 10 is 17. Okay, so the answer here is 17. Okay, so how about this number 5 expression? We have 20 minus 3 squared times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, this time, meron na po tayong exponent. So, sa GEMDAS, ito po yung exponent. At ang pinakauna po sa lahat, pag wala po yung G, wala po tayong groupings, ang susunod po ay E. So, ibig sabihin, ito po yung kauna-unahan nating ipe-perform muna. So, exponent. Okay? So, baba natin lahat ng terms. We have 20 minus, nag-blank po ako, ito po yung result ng 3 squared, times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. So, ganyan po, ibaba natin lahat para di tayo malito. So, pag simplify natin yung 3 squared, ano pong ibig sabihin ng 3 squared? Dito ko po sa gilid. So, 3 squared. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, dalawang 3. Okay? So, at ang operation between 2, 3, or between sa dalawang 3, ang operation po ay multiplication. Again, 2 squared is the same as 3 times 3. Okay? Yan po yung ating exponent. Now, what is 3 squared or what is 3 times 3? The answer is 9. Okay? So, yan. Wala na po yung kanyang exponent na i-perform na natin. Punta na po tayo dito sa MDAS. So, meron po bang multiplication? Meron. Meron ding division. Okay? So, we have 9 times 2 and 6 divided by 3. Again, notice here na yung multiplication ay nakahiwalay sa division. So, may pagitan po na addition. So, pwede na po natin pagsabayin na i-perform ito pong dalawa. Okay? So, bring down natin yung 20 and then minus muna. Okay? And what is 9 times 2? That is equal to 18. Then, bring down natin yung plus. 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. Okay, yan po, pwede pong pagsabayin kapag mayroon pong operation na naghihiwalay sa dalawang operation pa, yung multiplication and division. Okay, so pwede na pong pagsabayin na i-perform. Now we have two operations here, subtraction and addition. So again, magka-group po yung addition, subtraction. Ano pong gagawin? From left to right po ang pagpe-perform. So what is 20 minus 18? That is equal to 2. Then bring down plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? That is equal to 4. So therefore, the simplified form of this numerical expression, ang sagot po niya ay 4. Okay, so how about this number 6 numerical expression? We have 2 cubed plus 6 divided by, open parenthesis, 3 minus 1, close parenthesis, is equal to blank. Okay, so sa ating pong numerical expression, meron na po tayong groupings. Okay? So G groupings, ito po yung open and close parenthesis. Next, meron po tayong exponent. Okay? Multiplication, M, wala po dito sa ating numerical expression. D, meron tayong division. We have addition and we have subtraction. Now, paano po natin ito i-perform? First ay G. Ano po yung G? Ito po ang ating groupings. Okay? At ang kasunod po ay E, exponent. Ito po yun. Since magkahiwalay itong groupings at yung exponent, pwede po nating pagsabayin i-perform. Or para hindi po kayo malito, pwede na po ninyong huwag muna, ito po muna. Okay? Pero ito, and sinimplify ko na kasi hindi naman affected yung iba dito. Okay? So what is 2 cube all about? The answer is 8. Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng 2 cube? So 2 cube, that is equal to tatlong 2 po. Okay? Ano yung base natin? What is our base? 2. So, tatlong 2 kasi tatlo po yung kanyang exponent. Okay? At ang operation between the 3 na yung tatlong 2 na ito, multiplication. So, what is 2 times 2 times 2? Okay? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Kaya yung 2 cube natin, that is equal to 8. Then, ano po ang ipe-perform natin? Ihuli namin yung addition. Okay? Ang ipe-perform po natin kaya na-bring down yung plus 6 divided by ay yung nasa loob muna ng parenthesis. Okay, what is 3 minus 1? That is equal to 2. Okay, so tinanggal ko na po yung close and open parenthesis kasi isang value na lang po siya, isang number. Okay, may operation naman dito kaya okay lang, wala na yon. So we have 8 plus 6 divided by 2. So, ang dalawa po yung operations natin, addition, division. Ang magka-group po ay multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. So, of course, unahin natin itong division. Okay? So, we have 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So, bring down lang po natin yung 8 plus. Okay? So, okay na yung division, addition na. What is 8 plus 3? That is equal to 11. So, the correct answer for this numerical expression, kapag isimplify natin, the answer is 11. Okay, so how about this number 7 example? We have 15 minus 3 times, open parenthesis, 2 squared plus 1 equal to blank. Okay, so we have exponent, ito pong 2. We have groupings, ito pong close and open parenthesis. Multiplication, meron po tayo dito. Division, wala. Addition, we have D here. Subtraction, meron po tayo. Okay, so ang nawawala lang po dito ay division. So how to simplify? Okay? So first, groupings. Sa loob ng groupings, yun po yung ating gagawin. Okay? So wala pong exponent sa labas, kaya bring down lang po natin 15 and then minus 3 times, okay, ano po yung result sa 2 squared plus 1. Since may square po dito, hindi mo natin pwedeng i-add kaagad sa 1. Kailangan ito munang i-simplify natin sa loob ng parenthesis. What is 2 squared? Again, ang ibig sabihin ng 2 squared ay 2. Okay? And then, ang operation ay 2. Ito po yung 2 yung base, ito na po yung 2. And then, yung exponent na 2, ito rin po, 2. Okay? So, kaya 2 squared, that is equal to 4. And then, plus 1. Okay, simplify natin. Ang na-simplify lang natin dito ay yung exponent. Then next ay yung ating groupings. Bakit ko po inuna yung exponent pero pangalawa siya? Bakit hindi groupings muna? So ang ibig sabihin po ng groupings ay ito po munang nasa loob ng groupings ang ating ipe-perform. At sa loob ng groupings, meron po siyang exponent. Kaya i-perform muna natin ito bago itong addition. Okay? So, pwede nang i-perform itong 4 plus sa loob ng parenthesis. The answer is 5. Then, kapag isang value na lang po siya, pwede na po nating tanggalin yung kanyang close and open parenthesis. O kaya 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Now, we have 15 minus 3 times 5. Okay? So, ano pong unahin? Magkasama multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. So, we have multiplication, we have subtraction. Unahin po natin itong multiplication. What is 3 times 5? That is 15. So, bring down natin 15 minus, ito po yun, and then 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. And we have 15 minus 15, that is equal to 0. So, therefore, the simplified form of this numerical expression is equal to 0. Okay, so how about this number 8 numerical expression? We have open parenthesis 3 plus 2, close parenthesis square, divided by 5 plus 8. So again, we have groupings, close and open parenthesis, we have exponent. So ano po yung rule na gagawin po natin? So first, yung nasa loob lagi ng ng close and open parenthesis muna ng groupings. What is 3 plus 2? That is equal to 5. Then bring down lang po natin yung kasunod nila. Divide by 5, then plus 8. And then square na po natin. What is 5 square? Okay, exponent na po tayo. Okay? Tapos na tayo sa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? Papalabas na po tayo. What is 5 and then exponent na 3? 5 squared means 5 times 5. That is equal to 25. And then bring down ulit natin. Divide by 5 plus 8. So we have two operations na natitira. Division and addition. So magkasama, multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. So unahin natin syempre yung division kasi yun po yung GEMDAS. What is 25 divided by 5? That is equal to 5. And then bring down plus 8. 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13. So the simplified form of this numerical expression is equal to 13. Okay, so how about this example? Okay, ito na po yung nasa unang presentation ko po na nasa video. So we have braces 3 times open parenthesis 5 minus 2 squared plus 5 then close braces or close brace divided by 16. So paano po natin ito simplify para masunod po natin yung GEMDAS rule? First ay groupings. Dalawa po yung groupings natin dito. Okay? So we have braces. Lahat ito isi-simplify natin sa loob bago natin i-divide sa 16. Ganyan po yan. Okay? Kasi meron po siyang groupings dito. At sa loob ng ating braces ay meron po tayong parenthesis. So ibig sabihin, yun naman pong nasa loob ng parenthesis muna ang ating uunahin. Okay? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And then yung exponent, kaya nilagay ko pa rin po dito, exponent. So we have 3, open brace, 3 times 3 squared plus 5 close brace. Okay. So anin po dito, sa loob ng brace or braces, ang ating isi-simplify. Times, multiplication, exponent, addition. So ano pong nauna? Exponent. So ito po munang exponent ang ating ipe-perform. So the same process, baba lang natin, divide by 16. So kung simplify natin yung 3 squared, pero ibaba natin muna yung 3 and then times. And then what is 3 squared? That is equal to 9. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, 3 times 3, dalawang 3 kasi 2 exponent, 3 times 3 is 9. And then again, next bring down natin yung 5, so plus 5. So we have now 3 times 9 plus 5. And then, close brace, then divided by 16. So, ito po muna. Multiplication and addition. Of course, unahin po natin yung multiplication kasi GEMDAS. Okay? Bago yung addition. So, we have 3 times 9. That is equal to 27. Then, bring down plus 5. Okay? So, mula po dito hanggang dito, 27 pa ang result. And then, bring down divided by 16. So, next, what is 27 plus 5? 27 plus 5, pag-isahin na po natin ito bago po natin i-divide sa 16. 27 plus 5, that is equal to 32. Okay? Divided by 16. So notice here, mula po sa maraming numbers or integers nandito sa loob, isa na lang po siya. Kapag mag-isa na lang niya, then saka natin punta sa labas ng brace. Okay? What is 32 divided by 16? And that is equal to 2. So meaning to say, if you simplify this numerical expression, the answer is equal to 2. Okay, so at the end of this video, ito po yung ating activity. Kaya kapag umabot ka sa video na ito, sa part ng video na ito, ay maraming salamat sa iyo kaibigan, nawa ay natuto ka. So kung ikaw ay natuto, so tignan po natin. You are going to answer this activity applying GEMDAS rule. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then kung may sagot ka, baka maaari mo namang i-share yung sagot mo, i-comment mo dito sa ating comment box ng ating video. Maraming salamat sa kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito at nagustuhan mo, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel.